welcome back.
What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to show you this 2022 CR250 that we recently just finished up. You guys might have seen our 500 conversions in the past. We actually have the same exact kit going on for this 250. So if you guys have the, I believe 95 to 01 CR250, probably the best 250 two-stroke motor they ever made from Honda. You can swap it in your 21 to 22 chassis now and have a brand new bike. So let's get into the video. Perfect. Not bad. All right, guys, so we got a 2001 CR250 motor. Let's jump into this 2022 CR450R. We've got our complete bolt-in kit available now for these. You can check it out at bbcoffroad.com. Everything from billet head stays, custom radiators, down to the billet cradle. 100% bolt-in, no welding. The pipe is from a 2000 to 2001 CR250 pipe and silencer. You can kind of see what we got going on back here. Custom brackets to make it work. We've got a mid-pipe bracket here, and it goes down to a rubber-mounted front bracket on the bottom of the expansion chamber. What else we got, Alex? Pretty basic. I mean, it's fabricated intake right here. Probably catch the thunder in the background. We got the fabricated intake right here. With the so we converted this from fuel pump to gravity fed.
That's about it, man.
A dirt bike, man. It's a dirt bike. Yeah. Pretty simple swap, though. It really is. If anybody wants to bring back the two strokes, you've got a 250 kicking around. This might be the answer for you. Yeah, you can go right on our website and order the kit to either bolt a 500 or a 250 in your modern bike. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to take this thing out to a local ride spot. Drew's going to hammer out some laps on it and see how it does. See you in the next video.
500 swaps.
Alex,
I searched the whole world. This is the only one. I searched the whole world.
this is the only one in the whole world?
Yeah, I searched the whole world. That's how I know that.
Okay.
I went to everyone's house in the whole world and made sure this was the only one.
What about that? What about that Rappa guy that does all the conversions overseas? He does a lot of 500s and 250s. Has he done one of these yet?
No, yes. I
You checked the whole world.
I went to the whole world. I couldn't find it.
One other guy's 125.